Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. This Diwali, instead of bursting firecrackers, why don't you perform this eco-friendly color burst experiment with some simple ingredients that are found around the house? There are a couple of scientific principles that you'll learn while performing this experiment. One of the main principles behind this experiment is called surface tension. Surface tension is amazing and you can perform so many experiments with it. Why don't you check out our video on what is surface tension and a couple more experiments that you can do with it. I will link them up here and in the description box as well. Firstly, when we add the soap, the weak chemical bonds that hold proteins and fats are altered. These molecules bend, roll, twist and contort in all directions, taking the food color with it. Simultaneously, these soap molecules combine to form a micelle or a cluster of soap molecules. These distribute the fat in the milk, and every time they meet a fat droplet, they cause a swirling and churning effect. Finally, the last and the most significant reason behind this experiment is milk's surface tension. The drops of food coloring floating on the surface stay put, but the liquid soap breaks the surface tension by breaking the cohesive bonds between water molecules, and this allows water to zing throughout the milk. I hope you've enjoyed this experiment and we'll see you next week.